Let me begin by thanking Roseanne DeMoro and the 185,000 members of National Nurses United for providing high-quality health care to the American people. And also, thank you very much for supporting my candidacy. I am extremely honored to have the support of the largest nurses union in this country and one of our nation's great unions. Thank you. Year after year, I have been proud to work with National Nurses United, fighting to expand Medicare, fighting to address the nursing shortage in this country, and fighting to make sure that nurses all over America have the right to collectively bargain for decent wages and benefits. There is no job in this country that is more demanding, more important, and more fulfilling than being a nurse. You take care of our young children when they get sick. You take care of our parents in their time of need. You take care of our veterans, many of whom have come home from war with no legs, no arms, and no eyesight. Last year, when nurses became infected with Ebola after treating sick patients, I marched with you in Oakland to make certain that every nurse in America has the training, the equipment, and the protective gear that they need to stay healthy. And we need to make sure that gets done. We have a nursing shortage in this country that must be addressed. We need to make it a national priority to train more nurses, and that's exactly what I intend to do as president. We all know that nurses prevent medical errors, reduce healthcare costs, and help patients recover more quickly. We need to be looking at healthcare outcomes, and nurses are the key to making patients healthier. During the debate over the Affordable Care Act, I was delighted to work with you to substantially increase funding for the National Health Service Corps to provide scholarships and loan repayments for nurses and other healthcare professionals who work in areas where there is a desperate need for quality healthcare. As you know, I have spent many, many years fighting to make certain that this country moves forward and joins the rest of the industrialized world in saying loudly and clearly that healthcare is a right of all people, not a privilege. The United States, in my view, must move forward in creating a Medicare for all single-payer program. And if we do that, the changes that will come to our country, not just in healthcare, but in so many other areas, will be extraordinary. And I look forward to working with you to make that day come sooner rather than later. And when we talk about the needs of the American people, we understand that for our young people, we need to make certain that colleges and universities in this country that are public are tuition-free. And we are going to pay for that tuition-free public college and university program with a tax on Wall Street speculation. And you and I, together, have worked on this issue. As we go forward as a nation, as we fight to make sure that Americans get the education, the health care, and the jobs they need, we have got to make sure that Wall Street and corporate America start paying their fair share of taxes. With your support, we are going to create a political revolution in this country. That's what this campaign is about creating a political revolution which says loudly and clearly, enough is enough. Our government belongs to all of us and not just the top 1%. Yep, we are going to make healthcare a right for all people. Yes, we are going to make public colleges and universities tuition-free and substantially reduce student loan debt in America. Yes, We are going to make it easier, not harder, for nurses and millions of Americans to join unions and collectively bargain for better wages and benefits. Yes, we are going to rebuild the declining middle class in America. That is what this campaign is about. Thank you so much for your support, and together we are going to go forward and create the political revolution that this country desperately needs. Thanks again.